All right, the second part of Notes 9 is some more proportion/ratio word problems. So as with any word problems, let's read it. I'm going to underline, highlight the fun stuff in there. All right, so number 2 here says the ratio of students who drive to school to students that don't drive is 3 to 7. And there are 200 students. Now, it doesn't say those are the people who drive. It doesn't say those are the people who don't drive. It says there's 200 students. All right. And then how many drive to school? So this is a situation where we've got 3 different things going on. We have those that drive, those that don't, and then we've got our total student body population. So this is my little tic-tac-toe board of fun. And I'm going to fill in my ratio. Let's see, the drive to school is 3. Don't drive is 7. If I add those up, I'm going to get a total of 10. Okay, so 3 plus 7 makes the 10. Now, what there actually is a total of 200 students. And hold on, undo, back up. There we go. Okay, there's a 200. And I want to know how many do actually drive to school. So I'm going to put my X there, which means that this part in the middle I don't care about. Okay, and I'm going to pull the proportion directly from what I've got. I've got 3 students that drive out of 10 total students, and that's going to be equal to X over 200. So proportion 3 over 10 equals X over 200. That is the ratio that I want, proportion, say the right term here, proportion that I want to solve, and I'm going to do that by cross multiplying. So 3 times 200 is going to equal 10x. I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 10. So here's the fun part. I'm going to simplify a little bit first. So 200 divided by 10 is 20. And that's going to leave me with x equals 3 times 20 is 60. So how many drive to school? 60 students drive out of those 200. All right, so that's problem number 2 here. All right, so I'm going to slide on up so we can talk about number 3. Okay, so what do we got? We've got Patrick. Patrick scored 5 goals out of 20 shots on goal. Okay, he took 60 shots. How many goals would he score? Okay, so what we've got here is scored over shots, right? So those are the only 2 things I know. I know he took 20 shots. He scored on 5 of them. So scored out of shots. And then he's going to take 60 shots. How many goals would he score? So I can figure this out based off what we got. So he scored 5 goals every 20 shots. And then he took 60 shots. How many goals would he score on? So 5 over 20. Every 5 shots out of 20, he's making a score in there, and then X out of 60 total shots. So cross multiplying here, I'm going to get 20X equals 5 times 60. I'll go ahead and divide both sides by 20 here. So let's see, 20 goes into 63 times, so that's going to leave us with 5 times 3, which is 15. All right, so that was a quick one on just those 2 word problems. As always, let me know if you have any questions or concerns.